So this is 5.6, number 25. They want the antiderivative of this. And for most people, you would be very confused. And you might try something like this. Hey, Yoshida said, if there's a function on the inside, a lot of times that's u. And if you try to make that u, you would get du is minus 18x dx. And here's the problem. I don't have this here. And whenever you have an x, there's no way you're going to get an x to magically appear there. You can get a number to appear there, but not a variable. So that's not going to work. And now you're sad because you thought Yoshida gave you a secret to find u, and you realize you haven't found u yet. Okay, so what do? You recall once upon a time in a galaxy far, far away, you learned this. Oh, no, not that. You did not learn that. You learned this equals this. Remember that? Long time ago? The derivative of arc sine, and you were quizzed on that, and you're supposed to know that, and now you've forgotten. So now time to review all your derivatives, because it's going to help you. If you look, man, that looks like that, almost. But we're going to rewrite this to make it look even closer to that. It's 1 minus 3x squared, because 9 is 3 squared. So bam. So look how close that is. If that became a single variable like that, I can do that. And we have the power to make that a single variable by saying, hey, let's let u be that. And then du would be 3dx. And now I say, hey, can I get 3dx? Do I have 3dx? Because I'm trying to get du, and I wish I had a 3 there. Now I do. And so this becomes 1/3. That whole top becomes du. And the bottom becomes square root of 1 minus u squared. And now that fits the pattern that we learned back in chapter 3. So the antiderivative of that would be the inverse cosine of u plus c. Now in this case, we actually go back to the x because it's not a definite integral. We have to go back to the x because the original question says, I want the answer with x's. So I'm going to have to rewrite this as inverse cosine with u is 3x of 3. Oh, cosine, it's sine. How come no one said anything? It's sine. What's wrong with me? At least I caught it. I caught it before I ended this video. That would have been sad if I didn't. That should be the answer to number 25.